Is dat koffie daar, hè? Ja, maar moet je drinken zonder. Ja, weet.
Afternoon already. Yeah, it's already 1 p.m. I wasn't able to talk to you guys this morning because Bram was really busy having a meeting for like, I don't know, 3 hours, and I wanted to talk so bad, but I couldn't because I don't want to interrupt, you know. But here I am in the attic. I'm going to get ready, make content, and then I want to try to walk Lala at the forest, like, because we actually have this old, not old, but like we have this backpack for Lala or Coco, and we never really get to use it anymore. We just kind of stuck it in the hallway and use it as a newspaper holder or something like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan. Also, I love the weather today, so it is a really great idea, I would say. And I hope Lala won't kill me doing that. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. It'll be super duper quick, and I need a really big sunscreen today because it's so hot outside. Like, it's just even 19 degrees and it's already very warm, you know. I just want to let her feel that like going outside and seeing people are okay, because she's really having a bad social anxiety. Like whenever we just had a doorbell from Postman's or something, and then she get really crazy and go all the way here in the attic for no reason. And also when she hears people talking, like strangers, like especially men, she gets super duper stressed about it, that she's gonna be like crying, like like hide under our bed. And I just find it so sad, you know what I mean? So I don't know if this is a great idea, letting her show the outside world using her backpack, but I don't know. But like, I really just don't want her to be like that forever, you know, because I would feel so bad for the cat. But yeah, I'm gonna try and maybe just do it a few minutes and not shock her. So we'll just get ready. I'm gonna show you my fit afterwards in BRB. Anyway, so I'll just show you how I get ready. So I already did my sunscreen. I don't know if this is a really nice lighting in here, because I can't see you guys. Wait. Okay, I think that is so much better, but you will see all the laundry at the back. Please don't mind that. Just avoid the mess. So I already put my sunscreen. I want to show you what I'm using, because this is really super good to me. It really does wonders to my skin when I use this sunscreen. I don't know, out of so many other products, I don't know, it's just like, this is so good. I also love this brand, Ionic. It's like a Korean skincare, and I also have their oil cleansing, like makeup remover, also the same brand, and I just love them. Yeah, I think it is, right? Yeah. And then I also use the Advanced Nail Mucin Cosrx. These are actually my products when I was still selling Korean skincare before, and I'm just using them, and I'm just so in awe of all of these products, because they're really good. Like, I couldn't really recommend it enough. So also I did the Flawless Filter from Charlotte. I love this one because it makes my skin look glowy and like not too much. But and then I use this Estee Lauder skin tint. This is my favorite ever because it's like a water tint. Yeah, because like when I do this, it really just flows directly. It's not like the other skin tint that I use that just kind of stay dry. I don't know, but I mean, so far this is just the best, and this one suits for me. And that's it. That's just what I use. Such a big difference when you actually prep your skin. Like if you put sunscreen. Also, I have this Ordinary sometimes. I use this one sometimes, but today I just use a lot of sunscreen because it's so warm outside. And then what I do is, after blending this out, I just use my eyebrows. I badly need a tripod that really works for in here, because the other two are broken because I use it from a really heavy camera, the old one I have, and it's just like gripping, or it just doesn't really grip so hard, like especially the front one, so it just goes slide, so the angle is still, it's just useless. After this, I will do my brows already. This is just a very basic, like quick makeup routine that I do. It's just something that works for me, fast, easy, and I also just love to be quick. Like I don't like to be so slow, so I don't mind that mess at the back. Just do my brows. I am using this NYX one. It's really affordable, and it doesn't pull out a lot of products, which I like. And compared to the Maybelline one, this one is really crazy, because when you pull out and then you fill in your brows, it just makes it so messy. It looks so messy. But this one is so easy, as you see. But this is just brown color. I should have gotten dark brown, because this looks like not my color, but it's okay. I'm still gonna use it today. Sometimes I also use a powder, guys, just to set my makeup. And I also use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop mattifying powder. This really is such a blurring powder. I love it so much. I just put it here, and you see already the difference, right? Like it's just So good, and it actually really stays whole day. I'm so amazed by this product. It's crazy. So I just tap it in. I also don't put a little too much because then the glow that I put will just disappear, but just like a tap. And that's it, I think. I'm not sure with my brows. Okay, let me finish my makeup and I will show you guys afterwards. Okay, guys, this is the look. It's so simple, just very light, but I still have to do my lipstick. By the way, I just put on lip slipping mask because I need to get my I need to use my lip gloss downstairs. It's all downstairs. It's like in the bag. I think I showed you in the previous video. Lips, also my lips is so dry today. This is our fit. Also, this is my outfit today. Very simple. Love that. Okay, Lala is here. As you see, hi Lala. Let's go outside, Lali. Okay guys, I decided to bring a picnic mat and some drink and mini snack, and then yeah, just so I will enjoy a little bit in the picnic. I mean in the park. Lolly. Okay guys, we're already home. Bram actually went with me, or he followed us at the park, and I already got changed here at home because it was eventually like windy and I felt super cold, so that's why. I also cleaned the house already, just a little bit, like just arrange stuff. Bram is working in the garden, and then I also cleaned this one, the bag of Lala, because it was super dusty at the edge, but now it's already clean, as you see. Love that. And then also the sink, and now I'm just gonna maybe cook our dinner, or maybe I'm gonna eat this one because this is like really a waste and I still want to eat it. And we also have still chicken for Bram's rice bowl, so maybe I'm just gonna make rice and then eat a bit. It's still 4:30, 4:25, so still quite early, but maybe around 5:30 I can already start. But I think I will just make rice so I can just like slice later on the other ingredients. So okay, I already cooked some rice, and now I am just snacking a little bit while waiting for the rice. I just got here the pastel de nata. It's one of my favorite pastry. There you go. I think you call it egg tart, maybe, I'm not sure, but they call it pastel de nata, and it's I believe a Portuguese, yeah, it's a Portuguese snack or dessert, something like that. And then I'm gonna pair it with my coffee. It's my second round of coffee today because when we were in the park I was literally craving coffee. And so yeah, I'm just also gonna continue editing, and then scroll back to you later. Someone get tired. Okay guys, finally made food, and guess what's our food again? Guess what's our food again? Look at that. I mean, we just love a good rice bowl. Like, you just have to cook rice, cut cucumbers, avocado, julienne, beans, chicken or salmon, spring onions, and it's already a meal. It's a dinner. It's a dinner. Anyways, I think we're gonna eat now, you guys. I also need to change. I want to have a full-on pajama. I got a bottom pajama already because it's freaking cold already. And we're just gonna enjoy our night, maybe watch our series, the good doctor. And then what else? I also need to edit this vlog. I just want to edit it because I just love editing so much. It makes me so, I don't know, like it makes me get excited at night because, you know, I feel like I did something in the morning. I felt productive for the day, and then I can edit this vlog and be creative on how I'm gonna, you know, make this. And yeah, I love it. I love what I'm doing. I don't know what it's gonna get me, but I'm still gonna do it. Also Lala is so cute in here, like look at that. I know. Okay, anyways, this is the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching it till the end, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I really do enjoy making it, and I hope you too, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'm gonna be motivated to do more and make more videos. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.